Yeah. Coleman, go get him. Go get the paper towels. Go knock him over. Hey, will you set him up and let Cole knock him over? Coleman, come here. Come knock him over. Knock him over. Go get him. Cole, watch Rebecca. Watch. Okay, let Cole do it. Okay. Oh.